my name is 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗓 and welcome back to our channel. So people, first of all, thank you so much for showering all your love and blessings to our channel, which we have exclusively made for A1. And trust me, it actually helped us a lot. It encouraged us a lot to make much more effective videos like these. And today, as it's our first session for A2, so I am really excited and I hope you all are excited as well. So people, coming to A2, as you already know that A1 is the beginner level. A2, however, is also the beginner level, though a level deep. I mean, a level deep when it comes to the concepts. Whatever you have learned in A1, they all will be really useful for you in A2 as well, along with the deeper learning. So, people, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, today, our topic, which we'll be supposed to cover, is possessive article. So people, possessive article or possessive pronouns, you already know about it, that possessive articles are the articles, they are the grammar essentials by which we are able to express our possessiveness towards a person, towards a thing, towards an entity, and so on, which we have already done in A1, and I hope you all remember that. So same we are going to do in A2 as well, along with the deeper concept of how we will be putting these possessive articles according to the cases of nominative, accusative, and dative. So let's get started. So here I am sharing my screen to you all. So yes, people, I hope you are able to have a look at my screen. So this is the possessive article or possessive pronoun. As I already told you that possessive article or possessive nouns are one and the same things. There is no difference. So firstly, let's define it once again. Let's do a quick brush up whatever we have done in A1 so that it will be easier and smoother to move forward according to the cases. So now, what are possessive articles? As you already look over my screen, as the name says, the articles, also known as possessive pronouns, are used to express or show the possessiveness of person to a belonging or his relations. For example, that is my car. He loves his motorbike. So my car, his motorbike. You can see the possessiveness. It's my car. You're not supposed to touch it. It's his motorbike. It belongs to him or anything like that. So let's check it out more. This is again ties. Again, we are done in A1. Ish, mine, which is my. Du, dein, which is your informal. Er, sein, his. Es, sein, its. Sie, ihr, her. Wir, unser, our. Ihr, euer, informal. Your, all. Sie, ihr, their, or their all. Capital Z, capital ear, which is your formal or your all formal. So going forward, we have already done the personal pronouns and possessive pronouns difference as well. As I already told you that we are still clear. I mean, what personal pronouns is and what are possessive pronouns. However, while applying the same, we tend to get confused. So that's the reason I have provided you some of the hints. My intention is to provide you some of the hints so that while applying it practically, you won't come to any mistakes. I mean, you won't be, making any mistakes actually, which you do unintentionally. So in possessive pronouns or possessive articles, it's PP plus noun, which is possessive pronoun PP plus noun. For example, my name is Clara Bag, which is my name is Clara Bag. But in personal pronouns, it is PP minus noun. Here, PP stands for personal pronoun minus noun. For example, ich bin oder ich heiße Clara Berg. I am or I am named as or I am called as Clara Berg. So you can see, we cannot say my is Clara Berg or I name is Clara Berg. Why? Because my needs to be with something. It needs to be with a noun. Means my what? My car, my name, my fridge, my house. It's need to be something, okay? It requires a noun. Without it, it's incomplete. It's long eventually. And when it comes to personal pronouns, ish is already complete. You cannot say ish name, or we can say I name is Clara Berg or hi house is this. No, you can't select that, okay? So my name is Clara Berg, PP plus noun. But in personal pronouns, it is PP minus noun, which is 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗧𝗓𝗪. Now moving to the second one. In possessive pronouns or possessive articles, there is the ending of the article. People, as I have told you before as well, why doing the possessive article, as you already know, that whenever there is a noun and there is an article, whenever there's an article, it comes with a noun. I mean, whenever there's an article, it almost comes with a noun after it, okay? So you already know that whenever there's a noun after, then before the noun, if the article is there, it's supposed to get ended with an ending if it's there. Okay, whenever there is a noun, before the noun, ending of the article should be there. So same here, in possessive pronouns or possessive articles, stays the ending of the article. For example, thus ist seine Brieftasche, that is his suitcase. But in personal pronouns, there is not. For example, hat eine Brieftasche, he has a suitcase. So you can see the difference. In first one, it's his suitcase. So suitcase is a noun, and before suitcase, it's a possessive article, which means that if before noun, if the article is coming, there has to be an ending. So Brieftasche, article is the. So in sein, again, ending will be E. And in personal pronouns, there is not. Hat eine Brieftasche. You can see after there is no noun. And if there is no noun, of course, you won't be putting any ending of the personal pronoun there, right? So that's the reason it's hat eine Brieftasche, because you cannot put ER E ending like that. All right. So now moving forward, you already know about this. Definite the leader, possessive follower. People, as I have already told you about it, I hope you remember. Definite article, which is bestimmt article, THE ones, like daddy, dasdi. Whatever ending will be of the definite, same ending will be of the possessive as well. Like as I told you, like in the family, is the and. In the plural, is the and. So in possessive also, E ending will be there in the basic possessive article. For example, mine, E will be there if in the family is there. And in plural as well, in mine, is will be there if there is the plural. However, if we come to masculine and if we come to neutrum, mainly we say neutral or neutrum. So in masculine and neutrum, which is masculine and neutral, you can already see that there is no E ending. If there is no E ending, so same there will be no E ending in possessive as well. There, mine, no E ending. Das, mine, no E ending. Okay. The feminine, the plural, minor, minor. E ending in both. Clear? So same, I have given the example in masculine with the help of kuli, which is a pen. So bestimmt article is der kuli. So same in unbestimmt, negative and possessive. All three are followers, not just possessive. Okay. So der kuli, no e ending. Ein kuli, no e ending. Kein kuli, no e ending. Mein, dein, sein kuli, no e ending. Which is the pen, a pen, no pen, my pen, your pen, his pen, and so on. Same comes with feminine. In feminine, bestimmt article, die Tasche. You can see ending is E. So in unbestimmt negative possessive, E will be there, which is eine Tasche, keine Tasche, meine, deine, seine Tasche. The bag, a bag, no bag, my bag, your bag, his bag, and so on. Now, going further, neutrum, or we can say neutral. Here, bestimmt article is das Handy. No E ending. So in unbestimmt negative possessive, no E ending. Das Handy, ein Handy, kein Handy, mein, dein Handy. The phone, a phone, no phone, my phone, your phone, and so on again. Now coming to plural. In plural, bestimmt article, I have taken the example of the handies, the mobile phones or the cells. Here is the ending. So same unbestimmt negative and possessive will follow. However, in unbestimmt, there will be no ending, which can already have a look over my screen. Why? Because you already know that with unbestimmt, which is with indefinite, we cannot put any plural like bags or mobile phones. It's not possible. But it doesn't mean that we won't be putting any noun as well. So it will be only handies, okay? But in negative and possessive, of course, E will come. So the, keine E, meine, deine E. So the handies, handies, Keine Handys, meine Handys, deine Handys. The mobile phones, phones. No phones, my mobile phones, your mobile phones, and so on.
Study nursing in Germany with stipend. 1 lakh monthly stipend. Eligibility: plus 2 science, humanities, commerce with 70% marks. We offer German language A1 to B2. Admission process: travel assistance. Contact CPTE for getting nursing admissions in Germany.
So people, that's all we have done. So now coming to the cases. Now when we come to the cases, possessive articles in nominative, accusative, and dative. So people, let's look as per the German case. So and this is how we do. So people, as you already see in nominative, dative, and accusative. In nominative, you can see in masculine, which I already done in A1. In nominative, in M for masculine, it's there. N for neutral, it's das. Feminine, the, plural, the. So again, it will follow. In masculine, it's das. So it will be mein, dein, sein, ihr, till ear. Till capital ear. With capital C is not given, so it's still capital ear. Same in neutral. In neutral, it's das. No E ending. So here also mein, dein, sein. Till capital ear, no E ending. Now in feminine, which is F, plural, which is PL, here is E, so of course, from minor diner to capital ear, E will be there. Okay. Same coming to accusative. Let's do the accusative first, which is just down there in the final ones. So here M for masculine, N for neutral, again F for feminine, PL is for plural. Here you can see in masculine there will change to den, en is the end. So in mind dine till capital ear, en will be the ending, which is minor dine to capital ear. In neutral, das will remain das. In feminine plural, e will remain e, d will remain d in feminine, d will remain d in plural. So in neutral, das, no e ending. So mind dine, capital ear, no e ending. In feminine and plural, the e ending. So in minor diner till capital ear, the e ending. Okay. Now coming to data, which is in the second one. So here you can see masculine, feminine. Here thus their masculine will change to them and thus neutral will change to them again, which means there also them and thus also them. In feminine, they will change to their, in plural, they will change to them. So you can see in masculine and neutral, thus will change to, in neutral, thus will change to them, and masculine, they will change to them, which is them, common, so em ending in all. Minum, dinum to capital earum. Now in feminine, they will change to there, which is ear ending. So minor, diner till capital ear. In plural, they will change to then, en ending. So minor, diner to capital ear. Okay. So same, we have done it all. I hope it's clear to everyone now. So people, here I have given some examples. I mean, how we are able to do. So it's Megha signature trick. Why I named it as Megha signature trick? Because this, which I have, found by myself, it's like my self found. So that's the reason I have named it as Megha signature trick. So it's cat rule. So in cat rule, I mean, I literally don't mean by actual cat. Cat rule here, C stands for case, A stands for article, T stands for translation. C stands for case, which is nominative, accusative, or dative. E stands for article, which is masculine, family, neutral, or plural of all. T stands for translation, which is possessive pronoun from English to German, like my to mine and his to sein, like that. Okay. And if you are done, like you know the case, you know the article, you know the transition, in short, if you know the cat, so you are all set to go. So here I have given the example of how you can do it. For example, in first one, you can see Philip's Name ist Clara Müller. So here you can see you need to do the cat rule. Okay. So here, case you can see it's nominative because sein ist a nominative verb. Cases nominative. Now A stands for article. Here article you need to see. Nama. As I told you that if there is a noun, before noun, if the article is coming, it has to be and. I mean, ending needs to be there. Doesn't matter it's possessive, negative, bestimmt, unbestimmt, their ending is required. So article it's there. And now coming to the translation. Translation, I have given her in the bracket. So her in German it's a small ear, and you can see that in there is no e ending. So in small ear also no e ending. So answer will be ear. Why in answer I have written capital ear? Because you know that if it's coming to starting, so it needs to be capital. That's why. Okay. Now in the second one, Ich liebe Philips Hund. So in bracket, it's your informal, which is I love your dog. Now you need to do again cat. So C is case. You can see it's accusative. Why? Because lieben is an accusative verb and ish is nominative. So hund needs to be accusative because in a simple sentence, as I told, in simple sentence, a nominative needs to be there, which is subject, but more than one nominative, more than one subject in a simple sentence is not possible. So issues nominative, hund will be accusative. And Liban accusative verbs, of course, hund has all the valid reasons to become accusative. Now coming to article. In article, basic article of hund is there. There will change to den. Now coming to translation. In the translation, your informal. I have written informal, which is your informal is dine. So you can see in dine, there will change to den. So same possessive will follow the leader. Okay, so here en in the end. So dine plus en, dinan. Basic plus en, I mean basic possessive plus en, which is dinan. So answer will be dinan. Ich liebe deinen Hund. I love your dog. Third one, er gibt die Bücher zu Philips Tante. So here you need to fill up R, which is he gives the books to our aunt. So here again we will do the cat. Case is dative. Why dative? Because you have already seen, I mean, in A1 that su is a dative preposition. So su is a dative preposition. So whatever will come after it, it will also be dative eventually. So case will be dative because su is a dative preposition. So it has reason to become dative. Now coming to article, Tante. Tante basic article is D and D in dative will change to there. Okay, now coming to translation. R is unser in German. Unser is the basic article, I mean basic possessive article. Now D has changed to there, ER in the end. So unser plus ER, which is basic possessive plus ER ending, it will become unserer. Okay, so answer will be unserer. Er gibt die Bücher zu unserer Tante. He gives the books to our aunt. Okay, so people like this you are required to do. And here are some of the examples because it's the time to practice now. So here are some of the exercises which you're supposed to do. And below the same, I have written some of the vocabularies which might help you while doing the exercise, while doing the practice. So yes, that's all. You need to fill up all. It's very simple, trust me. So yes, go ahead with the time to practice. And that's all. And I will be looking forward to your answers in the description. And I will be checking the same on the, checking the same on the very same day or the next day for sure. So that's all. And if still you have any queries, you can feel free to come to me and I will definitely resolve your query for sure. That's my promise. So people, that's all. And yes, I have given some of the examples as well, which will be really helpful for you. I have given the examples in nominative, which I have shown in A1 as well. So these all are the examples of nominative, which you can have a look for yourself. And that's all. So people, good luck and take care. Spread love, spread positivity, be happy, encourage others to learn new language, to look at the things, to look at the stuff with a new perspective, with a new language. So that's all. And I will see you all in the next video. So till then, bye bye and take care.